Hi third graders, happy Monday. Today for math, we're going to be going over comparison word problems using multiplication or addition. So let's do some examples and go over how we're going to do this today. So here we see Vicky's class played freeze tag at recess. In the first game, Vicky tagged 6 classmates. In the second game, Vicky tagged 5 more classmates than in the first game. Which equation can you use to find how many classmates Vicky tagged in the second game? So we're going to look here. It says she tagged 5 more classmates than in the first game. So if we know in the first game, she tagged 6 people, and in the second game, she tagged 5 more, that means we're just going to add 5. If it said 5 times as many classmates, then we would use our multiplication. But since they're just saying she tagged 5 more than the first game, we're going to be using our addition. So to add 6 plus 5, I'm going to start from 6 and go up by 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we know in the second game, Vicky tagged 11 classmates. So those are the words that we're going to be looking for. When we're talking about 5 more, we're going to be using our addition. So now let's go over to our second problem. Here we have Kimberly went shopping for a new sun hat and bathing suit for summer. The sun hat she bought cost $10. The bathing suit she bought cost 4 times as much money as the sun hat. Which equation can you use to find how much money the bathing suit cost? So we know the sun hat cost a total of $10. And the bathing suit she bought cost 4 times as much. So here it says 5 more, and then here it says 4 times. So when we see times, we know that we're going to be using multiplication. So we're going to take the $10, that's how much the sun hat cost, and the bathing suit she bought cost 4 times as much. So we're going to go 10 times 4, and so I'm going to count by tens to my 4th finger, 10, 20, 30, 40. So we know that the bathing suit would have cost $40. So as we go through our word problems today, just make sure you take your time carefully reading each problem. So again, when we're saying 5 more classmates than in the first game, we know we're going to be using addition because they're not saying 5 times as many people, it's just 5 more classmates. And when we see times, we know we're going to be using multiplication because the sun hat she bought cost $10 and the bathing suit she bought cost 4 times as much, so then we're going to be using multiplication. So make sure to take your time carefully reading each problem and have fun, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye, third grade.